Max Retail is one of those tools that claims to streamline your e-commerce store. But before you dive in, there are a few things you need to know. If you're searching for the best software to manage your retail operations, or if you're comparing it to others like Shopify or BigCommerce, keep watching. This is going to be packed with insights that'll help you make an informed decision. And hey, stick around till the end for some exclusive details that could give you an edge. First thing you should know about Max Retail is how it stands out from other e-commerce platforms. Unlike Shopify, which is mainly focused on ease of use, Max Retail leans heavily into providing customizable solutions. Whether you're a small business or looking to scale, it's got the flexibility to handle your needs. And while platforms like BigCommerce offer robust features, Max Retail takes it up a notch with deeper analytics and reporting tools, making it a strong contender for serious retailers. Next thing you'll want to consider is the pricing model. Max Retail doesn't come with a one-size-fits-all price tag. Its pricing is tailored to businesses, which means if you're just starting out, it might feel like more than you need. However, the value comes in the advanced features that cater to larger businesses, especially in terms of inventory management and customer data. When you compare this to something like Shopify, which has a standard monthly fee and then additional costs for apps, Max Retail's more bespoke pricing structure can give you better long-term value. The third thing to think about is its customer service. Max Retail has been praised for its comprehensive support, including 24/7 availability and a dedicated account manager if you're on higher tier plans. This is something many software providers don't offer as standard, and it can be a game changer if you run into issues. Shopify's customer service can be hit or miss, especially on the lower tier plans, so Max Retail does have a clear advantage here. Moving on, let's talk about integrations. One thing to know is that Max Retail integrates with a wide range of third-party tools, from accounting software like QuickBooks to email marketing platforms such as MailChimp. This makes it super easy to integrate Max Retail into your existing tech stack. When compared to competitors like WooCommerce, Max Retail's integrations feel more seamless, which is something worth considering if you want to avoid a complex setup process down the line. Next up, let's dive into the user interface. This is something Max Retail does really well. While some e-commerce platforms are either overly complex or too basic, Max Retail finds a good middle ground. It's user-friendly for beginners, but still offers advanced features for experienced users. If you've used platforms like Shopify, you'll find the interface to be equally intuitive, but with more customization options available at your fingertips. The sixth thing to keep in mind is the mobile experience. Max Retail doesn't just cater to desktop users, it offers a fully responsive mobile app. This means you can manage your store, track orders, and engage with customers while on the go. Compared to something like BigCommerce, where the mobile experience is more limited, this is a huge plus for business owners who are always on the move. Finally, let's talk about scalability. Max Retail is built with growth in mind. Whether you're a small boutique or an enterprise-level business, this platform can scale with you. You can start small and gradually increase your offerings without worrying about outgrowing the system. Unlike platforms like Wix e-commerce, which might struggle as you scale, Max Retail handles high-volume stores without missing a beat. If you want to try out Max Retail for yourself and see if it's right for your business, you can click the first link in the description for the best free trial available. It's a no-commitment trial, so you can explore everything Max Retail has to offer, plus get some exclusive benefits. Make sure to check it out if you want to streamline your retail operations and take your business to the next level.